Rolls-Royce Motor Cars is a British luxury car manufacturer, with production facilities at the Goodwood Circuit in West Sussex in the United Kingdom. This brand, symbolized by the Spirit of Ecstasy emblem, is synonymous with luxury and exceptional craftsmanship. All of their automobiles are meticulously hand-built, using the finest materials and top-notch production processes available. In this episode, we're showcasing the latest and most sought-after car models from Rolls-Royce. These are, of course, some of the world's most expensive cars on the market, so we'll talk about their current price, together with their technical specifications. Check out the number 1 spot at the end of the video. You're watching Auto Aficionados, giving you the latest news and info on the most amazing vehicles and luxury cars. Starting at number 5 is the Rolls-Royce Wraith. It is the Rolls-Royce coupe interpretation of the Ghost sedan, boasting a dramatic sloping fastback design, which was first introduced in 2013. This luxury car is powered by a 6.6-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine and is rated at 624 horsepower. This model has up to 590 pounds-per-foot of torque. It has a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.6 seconds. The Rolls-Royce Wraith comes as a 4-seater automobile. Hundreds of hand-placed fiber-optic lights on the unit's iconic Starlight headliner create ambient beauty. When it comes to the interior, the clock on the fascia is framed by a seashell and black leather that has been heavily coated in piano black. The modern lines of the coach doors are also framed by book-matched Canadell paneling. The base price of this car is $366,000. At number 4 is the Rolls-Royce Dawn Black Badge. It debuted in 2017 and was the third member of the Black Badge series. This luxury car is powered by a 6.6-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine and is rated at 593 horsepower. This model is bumped up to 620 pounds-per-foot of torque. It has a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The Rolls-Royce Black Badge Dawn is a cabrio car with 2 doors and 5 seats. It also has carbon fiber composite wheels with the self-writing Rolls-Royce emblem. This model features 2 independent wishbones, and the car's braking system incorporates vented discs in the front and rear for superior stopping power. For an excellent driving experience, this car features enhanced torque and refined suspensions. The base price of this car is $420,000. The new Rolls-Royce Cullinan Black Badge is rolling at number 3. Its powerful dimensions and strong appearance are enhanced by the all-new 22-inch forged alloy wheels, reserved exclusively for this model. This luxury car is powered by a 6.8-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine and is rated at 592 horsepower. This model has an impressive 664 pounds-per-foot of torque. It has a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. For the Rolls-Royce Cullinan black badge, the front, sides, and aft double R badges are silver on black, while chrome surfaces such as the front grille surround, side frame finishes, boot handle, boot trim, lower air intake finisher, and exhaust pipes are darkened. The car also debuts a new technical carbon veneer. According to Rolls-Royce Motor Cars, the naked weave carbon fiber finish has been developed to create highly accurate repeating geometrical shapes that produce a powerful three-dimensional effect. The starting price of this model is $425,000. The Rolls-Royce Ghost Black Badge accelerates at number 2. The luxury car manufacturer says, due to fine-tuned dynamic handling, the suspension is now more precise and responsive than ever before. This car is powered by a 6.75-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine and is rated at 592 horsepower. This model also has up to 664 pounds-per-foot of torque. It has a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour and is the fastest one on our list, with an acceleration of 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.2 seconds. Striking calipers in 4 bold colors are surrounded by carbon alloy composite wheels, which are exclusive to the Black Badge Ghost. The illuminated fascia has a captivating effect. When the car is activated, the Black Badge infinity symbol emerges from the fascia's void with a mesmerizing, starlit display. This symbol is a Black Badge emblem, and it's hand-inlaid between the back seats. This model has a base price of $443,000. Before we look at our choice for the number 1 spot, don't forget to subscribe, give this video a thumbs up, and share your comments and driving experiences below. Finally, the Rolls-Royce Phantom earned the number 1 spot. This has long been the uncontested king of luxury cars. The Phantom received a new platform in 2020 for its 8th generation, and may potentially get an EV engine in the future. This luxury car is powered by a 6.8-litre twin-turbocharged V12 engine and is rated at 563 horsepower. This model has up to 664 pounds-per-foot of torque. It has a maximum speed of 155 miles per hour and accelerates from 0 to 60 miles per hour in 4.5 seconds. The Phantom's interior is the quietest that Rolls-Royce has ever constructed. It features plush and luxurious lambswool floor mats. It also has the classic 1,344 individually placed fibre optic stars that light up through small holes in the leather roof. There are also many small features that bring comfort to all passengers, such as powered footrests, a backlit mirror, and intuitive fingertip controls. This gorgeous car has a base price of $458,000. It's impossible not to be impressed by Rolls-Royce cars' impressive performance. Is there a certain model that you think is the best in terms of craftsmanship? Which one is your personal favorite? Do you agree with our list? Is there anything else that didn't make the cut? Don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon, so you won't miss the next one. We also look forward to reading your comments and suggestions down below. As always, we'll see you next time, and enjoy the journey.